I am Manuel Diaz, a mathematician, physicist, math teacher, programmer, and, finally, an artist. My son, Luis Diaz, is a chemical engineer. And this course will be incorporated into the University of Antwerpen. Together we wrote the article and algorithm for extending Menger-type fractal structures, from which I will show a practical presentation of various cases of the algorithm and some of its new results. Everyone can use it. It's simple. It is easy. In 10 minutes, I shall explain how to build in 3D, with Rhino, Grasshopper and Python Rhino script, 4 new shapes of fractal type. In 1 hour you can design, invent, a new Menger-Diaz fractal shape. There are millions awaiting for you. Your name will be in the Hall of Fame. Let's go there. All objects copy all objects present in Rhino in this moment. L equals 1 is the level. D equals 30 is the distance. It depends on the polyhedron and their size. List of nested vectors indicating hole or figure in that position. Copy object is copy, place. Imagine a Rubik's Cube compound by 3 to the power of 3 cubes. Then the edges has n equals 3 divisions. But if Rubik's Cube has n subdivisions on each edge, n number of subdivisions on each edge of a cube, resulting that each cube is divided into n cubed cubes. D, distance factor, depending on the size of the initial cube, d equals s, n2. In other polyhedra it can vary. Cube of existence, list of n cubed values 0 or 1 that indicate if in that 3-dimensional position we will have a hole or a cube. L, iteration level, the brick or atom initial. The initial problem. At Bridges 2019 exhibition I make a Sierpinski tetrahedron with stellar octangular and learn that a stellar octangular occupies a space equivalent to 1 cube. So the idea is to make a Menger sponge in which each cube is a stellar octangular. Well, the traditional algorithm doesn't work. The only solution is to place each stellar in its calculated position in the Menger sponge. We understand that those positions grow or shrink exponentially. We have the 3-dimensional placement formula. But we need to know previously, in each iteration, where to place the cube. So in the Python program we need to create a variable that encodes the existence of a cube or a hole. A nested vector list. The most difficult problem may be that. Identify the beautiful shape you want to achieve in the base cube with the nested vector lists variable that you must write to the program. You must practice.